Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I cook this delicious carrot pasta without tomatoes. Now, let's get started. In a pot of boiling water, pour in your pasta, add some salt, stir and cover the pot and let it cook on medium heat for about 8 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, as you can see, the pasta is well cooked. Now go ahead and stir and drain out the water. Pour some cold water on it to stop the cooking process and set it aside. Here we have some red bell pepper and carrot. They are well prepped and cut. Go ahead and transfer in a blender, add some little water, cover and blend until it is smooth. And here we are done with the blending, very smooth and nice. Next, in a clean and dry pot, add some vegetable oil and let it heat up. Now go ahead and add in some salt to it. Add some chopped onions and fry for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes now. Pour in the blended mixture, stir and fry until it reduces in quantity. Or until oil floats on top just like this. Now go ahead and season with some paprika powder, basil leaf, curry powder, season cubes, nutmeg powder, crayfish. Stir to combine. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Adjust for salt or seasonings if needed. Now go ahead and add in your fresh pepper to your taste. Add some mixed bell pepper, mixed vegetables. Stir, stir, stir. Now add in your pasta and stir until they are well mixed. Here I added some grilled gizzard. You can add in any protein of your choice. Give it a stir until they are well combined. Cover the pot and let it cook for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a good stir. Our carrot pasta is done and ready to be served. Enjoy with your kids, friends, and families. This recipe tasted so super delicious. If you are a pasta lover, I guarantee you on this recipe. Try it out and you will love it. Thank you all for watching and see you in our next one. Remember blessed. Bye.